Rainy day in Santa Cruz, people. Rainy day in Santa Cruz. Oh, man, so heavy rain fall on them place here. Countryside rain nice. You can hear the sound of the raindrops them. Very nice and relaxing. Up on the countryside, and so one heap of banana tree, breadfruit tree, and coconut tree. The place come like a half grid in Santa Cruz. Yeah man, so rain a fall in the country. I believe I lost my way still, but I still a drive. I don't know where this road will take me. But I lost my way up on the side here. The people just a drive and say, when I use our GPS, just a drive and so that road will take me. Yeah man, but I say my last in the countryside. No enough times when we are Jamaica we take some streets and last. But you have to keep on driving until you will find some form of sign and where you can remember, say yeah, remember the name of that place there, so I'm not really lost. Yeah man, you can't see me not see no whole heap of house them play a bit, whole heap of house them place here just be a cheese. So I can't back on this, so we must stay close to our main road. I know St. Elizabeth big. Never dream about them place here in St. Elizabeth. Never dream about them place here. See a lot of farming take place. All heap of farming. So I'm going to explore the place same way. So they know a lot of peanut and cassava from the area. no farmer sign. GPS now pick up in them area. So just a drive the road and so it take me back to. Okay, I see where I'm seeing some few more houses in this area. Like me I see some light enough so I go on. Yeah man, I see some light. Yeah. But so you think set you know. When you explore Jamaica you're gonna last many times. You never expect that one today at all. Never dream about them place here in Santa Cruz now. I don't know my location right now. It's a drive. Some nice houses around here too. See a mango season now in Jamaica. See a lot of mango up on tree. Breadfruit. Still I try to say I see no sign in that area, but I don't see no sign in that area. Yeah man, you know say a Braze River end up back my paper. Braze River. Yeah man, I have an idea say I think of Braze River because tell us some place there. Some place in Santa Cruz or in St. Elizabeth we never dream say. Some place that taking them back some place. I never know this road could take me back to Braze River. I always see this turn off, you know. I always see that turn off, yeah. But I never really take that turn off, yeah. I realize it take me back to Braze River. Tell us so that's why we have to, some of the time we just have to just put some gas in the car and explore our area We never know when the road can block on us now. We need a different road to drive and safe with a take in our area. Man, so in the Brace River area, my paper, rain a fall. Till I say me a tour St. Elizabeth from a long time, and I never really know so that the road could take you back to Brace River. They only need some. They need to fix the road still, you know. Because somebody tell you, if really company main road, just use the back road and come Brace River from Santa Cruz, Brighton side. Just a pass the bridge of Brace River, you know. This was one for me today. Learned something new today. So I know somebody watching this video. I know you must know that area there. So leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what I go on. Because me I tour St. Elizabeth from many times, know many places at St. Elizabeth. Just never know say this is the road they take you. Yeah man, never know me paper. Yeah man, say I'm gonna do a nice work of art up on the shop. On your left, nice design. Big up all of the painter them. Boss, I give you a nice design, you know. Don't wait up yourself in the rain, mommy. Don't want you catch any cold. You must say a cold season, I don't want a flu season. Man, so I know exactly which part me there, so I take on to Brace River Square. Yeah man. Tell us that some turn off there in a Santa Cruz. Never really know about it like that. Body a speed for the wet road, I could have happened so. Driving and I take them time and drive, you know. What them expect you got accident. Welcome guys, welcome to Braze River. Yeah man. So welcome to Braze River guys. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Anyone now watch family can big up on yourself. One love and one heart. Yeah man, I saw the thing set, you know.